is a box of cereal for dinner when there's no more bread. Life is another 8 hours on this long gray road, looking at the sleepy animals that are probably dead. Life is a game that I never seem to win, filled with lost turns, fake money, and even less bread. Life is an eye-level stack of bills, the ones without the presidents and a doctorate in juggling. Life is a bad joke that you actually laugh at, cause you can't afford to get caught tear smuggling. Life is something you can insure, but you can't be sure you'll have it forever. Life is a journey, and you better thank those who helped you along the way. Life is a gift that most of us treat like a job or a cop. Life is full of surprises, it's beautiful and it's good. Life is not easy though, nobody ever said it would. Nothing in life is free, and most of the time, well, you have to pay double. Life is an experience that you have to be there for, and makes you get out of your bubble. If is the middle word in life, and that's always the big question. Hey, at least we're trying. Take the F out, and you have a lie, but you have to decide who's lying.